Hello friend, today we are going to discuss about the binary search tree. In the previous lecture, we had seen the binary tree and its operation. A binary tree is a finite set of data element. A tree is a binary if each node of it has a maximum of two branches or two subnodes. The data element is either empty or hold a single element called as the root node, and it has two disjoint trees called as the left subtree and the right subtree. So the binary tree that we had seen in the previous lecture. Now friend, we are going to discuss about the operations traversing of the binary search tree. In the binary search tree, we seen in order traversal, pre-order traversal, and post-order traversal technique. So, with the help of the program, today I will demonstrate three techniques: in order, pre-order, and post-order. So friend, in this I take a structure tree. In that tree structure, I declare variable data of long type. Then I create a pointer variable or a pointer object of T structure, left for L and right for R. Then here struct tree star R and struct tree star L. These two are the structure object that are declared in the structure tree. Now I assign struct tree star B tree. B tree is again the another object. We assign that object to null value. Now in the main function I declare a variable long digit. So in integer ch, then I use the clr scr function. Now here in the printf statement enter the integers and 0 to quit. That means when you enter the stream of integer, then if you have to stop, then you add the 0. Then here scanf percent ld. Why I use the ld? Because it is the long data type, so it is long double. So I use ld format specifier. Now while digit is not equal to 0, then we insert the digit into the binary search tree. So friend, this program is for inserting a node in the tree. How to insert a node in the tree and traversing this node by using the in order, pre-order, and post-order traversal. So friend, insert is a function to insert the element into the binary search tree. So here I take a digit %d ampersand digit. Now in the while loop I do a menu. It is menu driven program: in order, pre-order, and post-order, and fourth operation is exit. Now enter the choice. Here we assign the choice to ch variable. Now we pass ch to the switch statement and we call the three function. In the case first we assign the in order traversal in and we pass the b tree object. Now in the pre-order we pass the b tree object. Then in the post order we pass the b tree object. Now default case is the exit 0, because when we press the case 4, then we exit from this switch statement. Now friend, how look that how to insert the element into the binary search tree. So you know that in the binary search tree the root node is the starting node, but at the left hand side the node has the minimum value, and at the right hand side the node is greater than that of the value of the root node. So friend, if the b tree equal to null, suppose the b tree is null, then we create a memory allocation. That means we create a node b tree struct tree star malloc. Malloc is used for the memory allocation. So So friend, here we use the B tree, struct, tree, star, malloc, size of struct, tree. Now B tree of L for the left, B tree of L equal to B tree of right for R equal to null. We assign both the left and right subtree to null, and we assign B tree of data to digit, because when we create the node, it has the three part. First is the left part, second is the data, and third one is the right part of the binary search tree. Now in the else part, if the value of the digit is less than B tree of data, when the value of the digit is less than B tree of data, then we assign it at the left hand side of the tree. So B tree of L equal to insert, we call the insert function B tree of left and digit. We pass these two parameter to the insert function. Else, if the digit is greater than B tree of data, if the digit is greater than B tree of data, then we assign it to the right hand side. So B tree of R equal to insert, we called again insert function for the right hand side, and we pass the B tree of R and digit to the insert function. Else, if the digit equal to B tree of data, if value of data and digit is both is equal, then we have to get a message duplicate node, and we exit from this if statement and return the value of the B tree. Now friend, this is the function to insert the element into the binary search tree. Now we see how to traverse the element in order, pre-order and post-order way. So friend, first we see what is the in-order search. So in the in-order search, first we visit the left subtree, then we visit the root node, and then we visit the right node. So in means the root is between the left and right subtree. So if the B tree is not equal to null, then we call the in order of B tree of left. That means we go traverse the left hand side of the tree. Then we print the B tree of data, print the B tree of data, and we traverse the right hand side of the node. So this is the insertion in order search. Now in order traversal technique. Then PO for the post order traversal. So here if the B tree is not equal to null, then we call the post order of PO of B tree of left hand side. Post order means here we traverse the left subtree, then right subtree, and then last we go to the node. So left, right, and root. This is the sequence in the post order traversal. Then we go through that. In the previous lecture we are seeing the algorithm. That algorithm will be implemented in this program. Now in the third function, pre-order search, pre-order technique of traversal. Then here again we check if the B tree is not equal to null, then we print the data, then go pre, that means pre-order, that means first root is visited. So root is visited, then we go to the left hand side, left subtree, and then we go to the right hand side of the right node. So B tree is not equal to null, then we print the B tree of data, and we call pre-order of B tree of left hand side and pre-order of B tree of right hand side. So friend, this is the program. Now we run that program. Suppose I run that program. Here it will ask me enter the integer. Suppose I enter the number 5, then 3, then 1, then 4, then 11, then 8 and 12, and lastly I add the 0, then I exit from that loop. So here it will ask me for choose the menu for insert, for in order traversal, for pre-order traversal, and the for post order traversal. Suppose I choose one option and I press the enter key. So the in order traversal of the tree is 1, 3, 4, 5, 8, 11, 12. It will be the in order traversal of the tree. Now suppose I press the second option, then it will be show the pre-order traversal of the given tree. And suppose if I press the 3 option, then it will be give the result of post order traversal. So friend, this is the execution of the program of, it is the menu driven program for various traversal techniques such as in order, pre-order and post order, and how to insert the element into the binary search tree. Hope that you have to understand this today's lecture. Thank you friend.